Now we will do lesson number 10 of Gregg Shorthand book anniversary edition. We will try to do all the words that is in lesson. You are watching video made by Saurabh Tripathi. Let's start the video. Took, tomb. The is written like this. Duck is written like this. Took is written like this. To the is written like this. Pool is written like this. Who? Let's start. Who is written like this. Do is written like this. Took is written like this. True is written like this. Whom is written like this. Hug is written like this. Does it's written like this. D was does. Up is written like this. Upper is written like this. Blue is written like this. Plus is written like this. Plus is written like this. Pull is written like this. Lose is written like this. Rug, rough, food, fur, supper. Dozen, group, cut, cook, cup, oven, cousin. Fruit, roof, luck, rub, foot, shirt, sugar, fool, now shorthand is easy, not tough. Stuff, truck, us, thus, sullen, through. Mood, none, noon, moon, nut, numb, annual, canoe, muff, nook, null, cool, cur, curse. Care, carry, force, charge, look, clear, skill, government, expect, special, full, sure, number, enough, position, question, purchase, remember. Now we will do lesson 11. We will do it in the next video. Thank you for watching.